Ang topic po, it's about NCOV awareness application. So, sa introduction po, awareness has a need to inform and educate people to handle this coronavirus pandemic effectively and prevent COVID-19. According to WHO 2020, nearly 216 countries of the whole world are struggling for their livelihood against the coronavirus pandemic. Meanwhile, people has been using their face masks and sanitize their hands to prevent the COVID-19. This application serves as the community guidelines to spread the news about COVID-19, and it helps us to earn points as their income, also the alertness to inform them to stay at least 6 feet away from other people to slow the spread of COVID-19. According to WHO 2020, COVID-19 and SARS coronavirus are similar because it is becoming a big threat to human civilization as sequences. Online awareness programs were initiated and conducted worldwide. Statement of the problem. How effective this application to spread the awareness to people? Limit social gathering, avoid close contact, clean and disinfect. How the application help us to inform? Wear a face mask, self-awareness, social distance. Related literature. There are more people being affected by the virus. Hence, being knowledgeable enough will help us to protect ourselves from the virus. Hence, we should spread the information itself to others and educate them. We must eradicate the misconception and myths encountering the virus. Theoretical paradigm. The findings of the study revealed that the disease mostly died in isolation with no one around. Mourning the loss was also highly challenging, with participants receiving less in-person support, leading to mourning in isolation. The inability to perform the last rites added yet another layer of grief, which resulted in prolonged grief among the bereaved and impact their overall well-being. Research design. In this study, the researchers will use a descriptive qualitative research design to obtain the necessary information about the research participants, a step-by-step guide to planning a qualitative descriptive study and analyzing the data provided, utilizing exemplars from the other author's researcher. The researcher used the qualitative approach since exploration were conducted and description were made sufficiently detailed to fully understand the existing situation. Participants. The researcher chose to conduct their study among the 20 people live in Mamatid, Cabuyao, Laguna. The researchers are going to use random as the particular will be chosen randomly. Measures. The researcher chose to conduct the study among the 20 people and live in Mamatid, Cabuyao, Laguna, and that is served as the researcher respondents. The researcher gave enough time to respondents to answer the following questions. Procedure and analytic plan. This study survey questionnaire that composed of 5 questions that given by the respondent is answerable, yes or no. Result. The researcher likewise will truly observe and analyze the research participants. There were essential interpreting their responses. All responses, answers, and information gathered will be held and treated by researcher with utmost confidentiality. Descriptive statistic. For computing the mean, the formula is formula percent F over N times 100. The weighted mean was determined the mean perception, the formula of weighted mean. That's all. Thank you.